Uline offers a wide range of poly box trucks for use in many applications, including healthcare, housekeeping, pools and spas, and general material handling. With 6 sizes ranging from 6 to 20 bushels, polybox trucks can handle small to large loads. And 7 color options allow for color coding by building, department, or content. 6, 8, and 12 bushel polybox trucks fit easily through standard doorways, while 16, 18, and 20 bushel trucks require larger commercial doorways. The smooth molded polyethylene body is durable and easy to clean, and with a 14-gauge galvanized steel base, Uline polybox trucks can handle loads up to 800 pounds, ideal for moving wet or dry loads such as laundry, bulk materials, and trash. Each polybox truck has 4 non-marking polyurethane swivel casters that roll smoothly and quietly over all surfaces. And the truck's oversized top rim adds extra rigidity, forming ergonomic handles on all 4 sides. The optional polybox truck polyethylene lids are hinged and fit snugly onto the truck to contain and protect the load, keeping contents out of sight. All polybox trucks and lids are made in the USA and are shipped fully assembled, ready to use. Plus, polybox trucks nest for compact storage and shipment. Our complete line of polybox trucks and lids are in stock and ready for immediate shipment from any of our strategic locations in North America. Whatever your material handling needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.